Alright guys, so welcome. So this is the code that runs this particular Arduino. What it does is basically detects humidity and temperature in the environment. So bring the camera closer. So if you look at the particular file, I have the DHT. DHT means digital humidity temperature. The sensor. This guy is sensor here. So these are the files I've included. And for the setup, it was 9,600, and for the beginning and for the loop it's about 2,000. So these are the variables: the mean, the temperature, and so we have two parts: the sensor and the and the Fahrenheit. So basically, what this particular function does is, if it's not a number for humidity, or it's not a number for temperature C, or it's not a number for Fahrenheit, you print out fail to read from Joshua sensor. You get it? So this is the program. This is the full. Okay, yeah. So if I stop this guy right here, I think, yep. So let me go again. Oops. Okay, it's compiling. Alright, good. So it's done compiling, so I can come to the output. No, sorry, see how much. Guys, we made it! Here, they show this thing. We made it! Yeah! Fail to read from Joshua sensor. Look at the error. Yeah. Thank you guys. Looking forward to more videos.